I'm going to show you how to replace the seal on a Champion style American Standard toilet. This is their older tower style. Turn off the valve going to the toilet. Remove the tube from the top of the flush valve and remove the chain from the flush arm. Now you can pull up the tower and pull off the old seal. You can spin the tower and just lift the seal straight up off the top. Now you can slide the new seal over the top of the tower and make sure it fits into the groove. You want to rotate it all the way around so that it sets squarely in the groove. And just pinch it all the way around and pull at it until it's even all the way around. And that's all there is to it. Now just attach your refill hose to the top of the flush valve and connect your chain to the flush handle and turn back on the water.